It's Heidi with Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And I just want to share with you a quote from the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide, and this is on chapter 11 about making good decisions once. And it says, making decisions is a constant in life. Sometimes they're tough. Sometimes you can make a decision once that'll free you from future decisions. Like, I'm never going to wear neon yellow pants. Easy. If that fashion trend comes around, I'll not waste a second on that decision. Now, I'm sharing with you that little tidbit from the book because what I'm realizing as I have you here in my closet is that making the decision to curate and mindfully gather a 10-piece wardrobe is a decision that you make once, and you can benefit from it over and over again, and I'd like to illustrate that for you. So imagine you're invited on a vacation last minute, and hello, stressful to get all your packing done, but if you know the temperature of the place that you're going to, the precipitation, then you can choose a 10-piece wardrobe that you've already curated. And you just put it in your bag and you go. You don't even have to think twice about it. Then, of course, on vacation, it's so fun to do a little shopping. It's just easier and it's more relaxed. You could actually, on your vacation, be thinking, how can I make this 10-piece wardrobe better by adding something to it from this trip? Maybe an accessory or a pair of shoes. How much fun is that? So you put in the work, you live in the work, and then if you go on vacation last minute, you just grab it all and go. Just saying. It's pretty fantastic. It's a decision that you made once, and you don't even have to think twice about it when you go to pack. It's pretty brilliant. If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. Also, I don't know if you know this, but I have a free Facebook group. It's called the Nest Pretty Facebook group for positive and professional women. So there is tons of fantastic information in that group under the guide section. Like, for instance, I recently did a training on how to look your best on Zoom. I don't know about you, but we're doing a lot of things on Zoom, and it's just not going away anytime soon, it seems like. So that's just one example of some trainings that are taking place in my Facebook group. I want to personally invite you to come over and join me there. I hope you have a fantastic evening. Make decisions once. Make good decisions once, and then benefit and reap the rewards from it. So I hope you have a fantastic evening. This is Heidi Gammill with Nest Pretty. Also, by the way, the new hardcover is available now on Amazon. So much fun. Head over and grab one. Hardcovers are the best. Have a great night. Bye.